Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? Hopefully you can hear me all right. How is everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well, and I hope we're all ready to get started on some React. Yo, what's up, Coding Vampire Profane? Yes, React Direction. Yeah, we're doing some React right now. Hopefully, it should go well. I haven't done this video yet, so as in, like, I've literally not done React yet, so this is going to be a React version of this. So there's going to be a complete, go do how I do. Hopefully it goes well and it doesn't go over the hour we have. Jay, yo, what's up, Jay? How's it going, man? Coding, Profane, great. How about you? I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm just getting started, and then we'll, you know what? Let's switch over to the desktop theme. I'm going to show you what we'll be building today, because I recently built this in... Here we go. So I recently built a Vue.js drum kit on YouTube as a video. You can check that out. I haven't got the link, but it'll be like one of the latest videos. And yeah, so there's where we're at. Taran Data, how's it going, dude? What's up? What's up? Jay said, doing great, about to hop into status call. Yo, that's cool, man. You jump into your status call and you get that status reported. I don't even know if that's exactly what your status call is about reporting a status, but it's fine. You do you, man. Guys, is my audio right? My stream keeps telling me the audio's bad. Is the audio bad? It seems fine on my end. I mean, it sounds good for me. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, so we've got this Vue.js drum kit. So here we have a bunch of keys from A to L, not in the alphabet, from the keyboards, the middle row on a traditional English keyboard. I don't know if it's same, I don't know, QWERTY keyboard. Here we go. So, and if I just start hitting the beat, boom, boom, clap, boom, boom, claps, boom, boom, clap, boom, boom, claps, boom, boom, clap, boom, boom, claps, boom, boom, claps, boom, boom, claps. Anyway, I'm not going to go too much into that. But that's what we're building in React JS. So we've got our drum syllables, our different sounds and tones all here. Now, guys, if you want these, they're in the Vue.js repository. But after I finish this video, I will upload this React drum kit to GitHub with the sounds included, so you can go and download them yourself. Make Skrillex type beat. I wish. That's We Will Rock You beat. Hey, I'm making this up. It's fine. Thanks, Profane, as well. Thanks for checking the audio, guys. I appreciate it. So, guys, let's get started with some of this. So let's what we got here. So let's close this one. So I have enough terminal here. Let's just stop this one from running. It's Vue.js. Close. Exit. There we go. That's gone. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to shrink this down, and I'm going to stretch it up. I'm going to pull it to the edge. Oh, don't go off the edge. What? Okay. Go to the... There we go. And then we're just going to slap that down and drag that across. Oh, right. Yeah, that was it. It was a full screen one, weren't it? We didn't do a responsive mode. Makes sense. We'll just leave it like this. Boom. There we go for now. And then if we refresh, it should just error for us, which is fine. So let's open up our terminal, guys. So we're going to be using React. So I'm just going to do npx react or create React app, not React create app. Create React app. And then I'm just going to do it in this file directory. Creating a new app. React app, and hopefully this shouldn't take too long, but I'm not gonna lie, normally I cut out how long this takes because I don't know what it is on Windows. NPM, yarn, all of that is so slow. So guys, ask me some questions while we wait. While we wait, let's also get projects, YouTube, Vue.js, drum kit, and sounds. We need to copy these sounds. Let's go back to YouTube, React JS drum kit, and let's paste this in here just so we have them ready to go, just sat there. So once this is done, we'll move those in the actual folder. Yeah, guys, hopefully this should, hopefully once this is done, we're going to be making some sweet beats, becoming a drummer, basically. We're all going to be drummers by the end of this. I mean, I don't know any of the keys. I don't know what they mean. I'm making it up as we go along. But yeah, I hope you're all excited for the React version. A lot of people love React, and apparently my YouTube channel only ranks on YouTube for React and Vue.js videos, which sucks. But, I mean, if you guys like them, then we're going to make them. So, You know, maybe we can move it more towards just JavaScript. That'd be a great idea. So just loads of JavaScript-based projects, React, Vue, Svelte, Angular, you know, all the good ones. God, as I said, this takes forever, and I don't know why. On my MacBook, this would have been done in 5 seconds. But on this, it's probably going to take bloody all year. Just keep going. See, this is why I need to be able to cut it out. So guys, fire some questions at me. If you've got any questions, fire them away, and we'll see once they're done. While we wait, can we... No, we ain't got anything we can actually do there yet. So here's the sounds. We've got a boom, a clap, a hi-hat, a kick, an open hat, a ride, a snare, and a tink, and a tom. Tom's a good guy. Everyone likes Tom. And there we go. So that's what we're rocking right now. We're going to take these and we're going to make a drum kit. However, I should have created this React app before this stream, apparently, because it is going to take forever. Holy. I mean, what? We're 9 out of 34,000? 9,000 out of 34, which I guess is like 30%. Coming up on 30% anyway. Always fine if I mess around with this. There you go. But it goes again. I don't get why. Is it just broken? If I just keep... I'm really breaking it now. Holy moly. Have I got this on live chat? Live chat, and then hopefully, there we go. That's looking a bit better. And set this up. So I'm just messing around with settings while this loads. This is taking its time. Look, this site can't be reached. Sad face. Oh, at least they should have released. Come on, we got to at least get the Google dinosaur here, right? Come on, give me the Google dinosaur. I'm gonna pop out this chat, and I'm gonna. There we go. Hey guys, you're half there for a second. There we go. All right, now I can see the chat a bit easier. Can I also zoom in? No, I don't want to zoom in the whole... I just want to zoom in this one page. Can I just zoom in this one page? Oh, I closed it. Great. Oh, it resets the whole thing. Weird. We go and bring that. There we go. That's good. Alright, how long are we getting on this? We're at 15,000, but it's frozen again. So let's just, yep, give it a jolt and it starts going again. That generally works. I don't know why. If anyone has any reason why that works, that'd be great. Just taking its time, and then we'll get some ready. Alright, note to self. Before starting a stream, make sure the required npx packages is already run. So create React app is run. So many, I know. React, like Vue.js would have been done in half this time. Probably, it's probably not. I'm lying to you. It takes just the same amount of time. But yeah, just on Windows, it's so slow. Put this on my Mac and it would have been done. On the same internet connection, this is a wired connection. My MacBook isn't, and my MacBook would be faster from Windows. Say something about Windows, right? Maybe it's just a command prompt. Maybe the command prompt's just naturally slower than everything else. I don't know why. I don't know why. Right, we're over halfway. We're getting there. We're racking up the hashes. We're racking up the hashy tags. We're getting them in. we're gonna have it done soon. Hopefully. Hopefully. Do in Fiest and YCD. Fiest code is the same. It doesn't matter what it is. I can open up PowerShell. I can open up whatever it is. Like, you know what, we can probably open, we might as well open this up now inside our Fiest code. And it will take the same amount of time. I know I'm not going to restart now, but it will take the same amount of time. It's so slow. Does not matter. I don't know why it is. Maybe it's just my Windows machine. Well, actually, that's a lie, because I tried it on 2 different Windows machines. Just Windows. It doesn't like me. Windows 10, it's... Maybe Windows 11 has fixed this issue. It definitely hasn't. It's probably made it worse. Oh, I need to go back here because it will stop. Yep, and then we've got to give it a jolt, and there we go again. What is with it? It's like, it just I don't know, it just wants to not work. All right, we're almost there. We're 10,000 away, just under 10,000, 9,000 away. Taryn, I appreciate you waiting here though, bud. Like, you know, just chilling. We're just chilling, waiting for this to load up. This is how typical this is of me. Like, I should have just had it ready, you know? Should have had it ready. Note to self, it will be ready for next time. Next time we do a coding stream, I'll have the project files ready, and then we'll just get straight into coding. It's sod's law of me not testing this beforehand. I forgot how long it takes. How long have we been streaming for right now? We've been streaming for 15 minutes, is that? Almost 15 minutes, which about 5 of those minutes, so we've been waiting 10 minutes for this to load, basically. That's about 7 minutes. I'd say about 8 minutes, 7, 8, 6, 5. 5 the shortest amount of time, but still, this should have been done like in 2 minutes. Let's be real, 2 minutes. All right, we're at 30,000, we're getting there. We need like a drum roll. Damn it, I closed the drum thing. We could have been like... It would have been great, but we closed it, and I don't want to reopen it because it would probably just slow this down more. We're almost there, so close, and then we can get coding this application. Again, I haven't come up with this yet. I haven't thought about how it's going to work on React. Obviously, I've done a Vue version, so I'm going to try and build it similar to the Vue version, so you can compare the two. But we're so close. You know what? The worst part is, I think once it gets to the end, it's got more to do before it's finished, and that's going to really frustrate me if it is. Like, just, why are you not set? Like, just work. Why is there so many packages? I haven't even got bad internet. I download gigs quickly. Like, what? This is a few gigs, maybe? And there we go. That's practically, and there's more. Although it's going considerably quicker, which I appreciate. Let's go. We're almost there. And any more? There we go. Done. We have our files. Is that everything? Create React app. Are you fully done? It's not going to tell me. Normally it will say happy hacking. Here we go. For some reason, sometimes I have to press Control C to get it to then start doing the rest of what it needs to do. We're almost there. Installing template dependencies using yarn package. Initializing a Git repository. I appreciate it. We've got our Git set. What do we have in here? So we have a bunch of different things. Public's all set. Oh, I did it. There we go. Let's hopefully that fix it. There we go. Almost there. This is painstakingly long. Hey, here it goes. Nope, still more. Yarn remove version 1.22.17. Removing module CRA template. Do you need to remove it or just leave it there? Remove it later. There we go. Happy hacking. That's what we wanted to see, guys. Are we all ready? So let's just... We don't even need this. We'll use the terminal from now on. But here we go. So source. We have a bunch of different files. We don't need half files. We're going to get rid of app.css. We're going to get rid of app.test.js. I'm going to get rid of the logo. Report web files. Set up tests. We only need these 3. But in here, we need to remove this. We need index.css. That's fine. Remove that. Save. Render. Strict mode. That look right? Yeah, that's good. In app, we need to remove these 2 because we're not using them. Let's remove everything in here. Wait, is my prettier not working? Prettier, why are you not working? Hello? Where is the... It doesn't have a package. Okay. Prettier's gonna hate me. Prettier config, path. Auto enable. Where is the pretty can insert special app format marker at the top of files that specify? Yeah, no. Single quote. No. I just want it to do tabs. Is it tabs? Tab 4 trailing comma select use tabs. Cool. I need to then format on save. I just want it to format. So it doesn't. Right, to the top, because it's going to be at the top now. Format and save is done. Cool. So now it's still 2 spaces. Why are you lying? It's fine. Okay, in here, let's give a dip class name app. That's fine. Let's give the diff there. Oh, now you want a format. All right, let's bring this down, bring that down, and bring that across. Hello world. Just like that. Close that. Let's actually open up the terminal. And let's run npm, or did it say yarn start? So we're going to run yarn start, and that's going to start our app. Yes, we're here. Yo, what's up, non-suspicious? How's it going? Love seeing the emotes. I love seeing the membership emotes. I appreciate you stopping by, dude. Hey, and we've got local host. It's here. Bam, hello worlds. There we go. Our app, it's done, guys. Thanks for coming. Cool, so let's get our sound. So let's just copy these. Go into demo, source, and we could put public or source. Source, because we want to require them. So we're going to have sounds in there. I think that's how you do it. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. This is why live is good, because I don't have to Google things. I have a chat that will do it for me. Cool, so that's running. That's running. We've got our hello world. Why do you keep breaking it? Okay, listen. I appreciate you trying to be useful, Priya. But I'm going to have so much more to do in here. So you breaking this down normally would be useful. But right now it's not. I probably should have just left you off. So yeah, let's just do a H1 tag in here. And this is just going to say React Drum Kit. Hit save. There we go. It didn't do it that time, did it? And then we can close that one and open this one. React Drum Kit. Nice. Let's go back. Now let's go into our index.css. And I'm just going to say margin 0, box sizing, border box, and finally a font family of Fira, not Fryer, Fira, Sans, and sans serif. Save. That's looking better already. So back to the app.js. We're going to need a key. So what we're going to need is some data. So we need to import, is it use state from React, I believe. Yeah, maybe. Yo, what's up, Aries, Catalin, YOLO, yo, what's up, man? How's it going? I hope you're having a good day. All right, so inside of our function app, we're going to want to have a constant, which is going to be our sounds as set sounds and use state array. And then I think we actually want to pre-fill this with a bunch of different items. So let's break this down. And let's just have a name of boom. So let's drop down these sounds so we can see them. So we want to basically get these filled out. So we're going to say boom. We will have the sound as new audio. No, we want to actually create new audio elsewhere. Can we require? Just require work in here, boom, free, and then we need a key, which is going to be, well, we're going to have a, let's start with that, and then hopefully that should work. We'll try 2 of these, and then I'll see if that works. We'll try boom and clap, and that will be A and B, oh no, A and S, sorry, and this will be clap. There we go. Hope you have a nice stream, Mr. Potts. Thank you, Aries, I appreciate it. Yo, Chaos Lab, how's it going, dudes? Thanks for joining me. So cool, we've got our sounds. So now we need to create a new component. Let's create a folder called components. And inside of here, let's create a file called key or drum.js. And then React functional component RFC. Guys, I don't think I have it enabled. Let's go find it. Here it is. We need these snippets enabled. We're using React, of course. So guys, if you want to know what I'm about to do, look at ES7 React Redux GraphQL React Native snippets. And this will give us the ability to say RFC React functional component. Actually, React functional component export because I prefer it like that. And there we go. We've got a new little thing, although we don't need the React import because that's not important. All right, let's go like this and give this a class name of drum. And obviously break this down and break that down and send that up. And then inside a drum, we will basically have the key. So let's just do dot orb the key. Yeah, key. Did I say key? Dot key, which will get through our props. Do we pull props through here again? I haven't done this in a while. Props dot key, and that should be that. I hope. Guys, tell me if I'm doing this wrong. I haven't done this in a while, you know. This is why I have a chat next to me. I love my father. He's so smart. I appreciate it, Chaos. I appreciate it. Anyway, props.key, key, drum and a key. We've got a drum and a key. So let's loop through these and hopefully get this working. So let's import drum from dot component slash drum. Let's also this. Also, guys, I assume you can't see it, so I'm going to zoom in. And there we go, just like that. Now, inside of our thing, we're just going to say drum. And how do you just get it? It's it arrow. We've got to map through sounds, right? So if we go sounds.map arrow function and a drum. That's how it works. I don't remember. And there we go, drum, and then we'll pass through the key. So if we go, what did we say it was? We pass through props.key. We want the key, which will be sound. Oh, we need that to be sound dot key. And then the actual sound, which will be equal to sound.sound, which doesn't make 100% sense, but there we go. And now, if we look at this, we have an issue. Can't resolve sounds.boom, module not found, source.app.sounds.boom mp3. Okay, guys, now this is where I'm confused because I don't normally use require for this. Am I supposed to use import? You should check that you have sounds. We know you know React. Why he's pretty. Don't lie, you did the WEF rap. Don't lie, you did the WEF. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's been a lot. I've been using Vue.js. I haven't really been using React much, and I've also just realized I'm using state to handle these sounds, but it should probably be a ref or something else other than a state. I could probably even just use an array of objects. It'd probably be easier. But yeah, for now. So require sounds. Now, how do we get this? Is this, do I need to do it from source? Is it going to say /source.sound? Is that going to work? Or do I need to use import or something different? Cannot get it. Okay, so let's figure this out. Back. I know there's a thing in Vue, but is it a thing in Source? So let's say import MP or require MP3 or MP3 in React JS. All right, how do you require a sound file? Here we go. Sound, it says here, import MP. So it's just an import, right? Probably. We'll figure it out. So if we just say, oh, wait, no, because I have to do it here. Okay. Which doesn't actually work. Import boom from, and then if we move this out of here, we pull up here. This is not going to be useful if this is how it works. If we say boom and then we just do a clap quickly, is this what I need to do? Guys, again, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm making this up as I go along right now. Clap, clap, save. My React is my terminal still running? Is it going to change or is it just the same issue? Cannot resolve sounds.boom. Okay, guys, I am doing something wrong. Sounds. Boom. Somebody is going to hate me. Okay, now, can I do require? I think I've been doing it wrong. I think it's just because I had the name wrong. How did I not notice that? Okay, we have no actual issues yet. So React, let's go back to this. React drum kit, we're not seeing our keys. So in our drum key, sounds.map sound, props.key. Oh, it's key. You know what? Letter. There we go. So we have our 2 letters displaying. Let's go. What's everyone saying? He's a god, isn't he? Oh god. Before mapping, import the sounds. Import boom from source, blah blah. You need to, that's good. You're very smart too. Who are you? They are in source, right? Yes, they are. Maybe in public. Yeah, I could have put them in public, but I think this is good. I think we've got it working now. They're coming through. Let's just see if they work. So let's just do an onClick. OnClick, we're going to call a function called play sound or play, right? And then if we go up here, we'll create a const play equals arrow function, and then like that. And then in here, we will just say new audio. But yes, but instead of URL, it's going to be sound. Now, will this work? No. Do I have an error? You do. The error does not contain a stack trace. Let's reload. Yep, that's fine. Okay, the error you provide does not the error I provided. I didn't provide the error, so I assume it's going to have to be an import, right? Is it going to have to be an import, guys? Do you know? Does anybody know? Can I not just import in here and then import the sound name? Sounds/clap.waf. No, definitely doesn't work. Expression expected. Yes, I know. I was just hoping. Okay, I can't cheat it. All right. So do I have to import all these sounds manually? That's what I want to know. So if we go import boom from sounds boom.wave, and then we replace this with boom, and then if we do clap, obviously if this is how we have to do it, then I'll have to think of a better solution. Let's go here, clap, save. There we go. So we've got boom and clap, boom and clap. Let's go back here, refresh. There we go, it's working. What's everyone saying? Default at least, .default at least. All right, so in here we have boom and clap. So is there a better way of importing them? I want boom, I've got clap. Boom, clap. Can we? I guess I can create an import file what imports all the sound. So basically, I could create another JavaScript file that we use to import all of the sounds. But that is going to be a lot and a lot of effort. Let's style up what we've got so far. So let's go to here. Let's just take a look at this. So we've got our H1 and our A and S. Oh. Boom. Require.containers.app.default. Would that work? Nissel? Should we give that a go? Because that would be cleaner. I'll try what you're saying. Let's see. Let's just copy this. And here I'll just go, oh, just do it for clap. Require that dot default. Is that gonna work? Shall we find out? Good job. Thank you, Nissel. Shout out to Nissel. He has come up with a way easier solution than importing every sound at the top rather than in here, because, you know, it looks messy. In this way, it should look a bit cleaner. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, boom, clap. Yes, thank you, Nissel. I appreciate your help. This is why live streams are better than normal. We get help from the stream of the live. Also, I do know I've got a key issue here. Key is equal to, let's sound I, and then key is just going to be equal to I, like that. Boom. Just for looping, and there we go. So that should be everything else, and that is name, sound, and a key. Cool. Good job. I appreciate you, Nissel. You're a top human being, guys. Everybody make sure you appreciate Nissel, because we could have been here all day doing this, and Nissel has saved my day. He has saved my day. So let's get our app, and then let's style our H1. So in here, we're just going to say .app. Did I give it a capital A? I did. I hate doing that. It's all right. I did it now. We're just going to display flex. We're going to give it some padding top of about 128 pixels. And then we'll do a justify content center. Let's have a look. Has that brought it all to the middle? It has, although I need flex direction column. And then I don't need center. I need align items. There we go. There we go. That's what I wanted. And then under app, we can have our H1, which we will just say font size about 5 rem. Is that going to be huge? That is huge. Let's do 3 rem. There we go. Much better. Give it a margin bottom of 2 rem. And then let's go .drum, which will be background color crimson. I like this color. It's a very good color. Border radius of 1 rem. No padding. We'll give it a width of 100 pixels and a height of 100 pixels. Maybe we might have to change this depending on how big that is. That's fine. Display of flex, align item center, justify content center. There we go. And then we will go to our .drum.key or letter. What did we name it in here? It's a key. Oh God, everything's all jumbled up. Name this better for me, guys. We're going to give it a color of white, of course, and then a font size 3 rem, probably kind of the same size as the title, right? Also, I put the click event on the key. I need to move this onto the drum, because you beat the drum, not the key, you know. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, boom, clap. There we go. We're getting somewhere. What's everyone saying? Yo, what's up, Aditya Amplify? I apologize for butchering your name. I'm not good at this. Green Passion. What's the code suggestion plugin you're using? That, my friend, is Copilot. Copilot is GitHub's smart AI-powered code prediction tool. It's very good. I don't know if it's available yet or if it's still only closed beta or whatever it is, a closed alpha, but it's pretty good. It's useful. I only recommend using it for non-commercial products though, because of the licensing issues. Mainly for testing. That's why I use it in these. Cool. So we have these. We've got these. This is looking good so far, I think. Now, so we've got our keys. We need spacing between these. So let's give this a margin left of, say, 1 rem. Margin right of 1 rem. Oh, and also we need... Oh, we have this in a drum, but we don't have a .drums. We need a .drums. We need to be able to put them in their place. They're not aligned up properly. .drums, display flex, align item center, and justify content center. There we go. And also, why is my... Of course, because I put it on the key again and not the actual thing. Let's put that in there, and there we go. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, boom, clap. We'll get the other keys in there in a minute. Oh, right. Heard of Copilot. Thanks. Yeah, that's all right, Green Passion. All right, so let's... While we're here, let's go in. Let's get the actual character working. Now, I don't know how to do this yet. So this is going to be interesting because inside of Vue.js, right? I'm going to compare this to this. Sorry if you haven't used it or seen the video, because I made a video on a Vue.js version of this. And basically, in Vue.js, there's a lifecycle method called onMounted. Now, I know there's use effects, const or import use effect. Oh, hello. Use effect from React. Now, we could do this, but how do you do how would you do onMounted? Is there an onMounted in React with hooks? onMounted React hooks, React functional components. Is there a component did mount? How to do component did mount? That's what we need. Use effect with an perfect. So apparently what we need to do is say use effect arrow function. No, actually we just need to say play. No, we don't need to say play. That is not right. Actually, we need an arrow function. And then in here, we can, and that should be key dot to lowercase. And this should also be key or letter. What did we name it? Key dot to lowercase. No, we called it letter. And also don't forget to do that. Now we go back. There we go. If I refresh just so we get rid of that. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, boom, clap. And you can see I'm not clicking it. I'm just using my keys on my keyboard. AAS. AAS. We will. I messed that up. I apologize. Hey, yo, what's up, Fikam Dabare? I'm butchering names left, right, and centre today. Thank you for joining the stream. We're just chilling on me. Guys, by the way, if you haven't already liked this stream, you should probably do that because I would really appreciate it. Empty array on use effect. Thank you, Aries. You're slightly delayed, but I appreciate the help. So let's go back to the code. So that's all working. Let's get the rest of the keys in here now. So let's just copy this and paste this a few times quickly. So we've got clap. We've got clap, clap. We need hi-hat. Hi-hat, hi-hat, and this will be the D. We'll give hi-hat the D. D for this, and then we're going to say kick, and kick is going to get F. Now we're going to have, if we just do D again, and for kick, we get open hat, and then in open hat, we get G. There we go. Let's copy this and paste it. How many times? Well, open hat, we need 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I did that right. I probably did that wrong. Press D, and then we're going to put ride, and instead of G, we're going to have H, and then D instead of open hat again, we're going to have snare, and that's going to be a J, and then snare we have tink, which is going to be a K, good old K, and finally we have Tom, and Tom is a good friend of mine. You know, let's go play Tom. Let's go try out Tom in the things. Here we go. Good old Tom. No, wait. Good old Tom. Wait, what is it? There we go. We got it. We got it in there. I'm sorry. I'm poor at this. Cool. So we've got our A to L drum kit. It's all working, but we have a few things missing in the CSS. So let's go to CSS. Now, for starters, our drum needs to have a cursor of pointer for user. You know, it just looks better. We then need to say our drum on a hover effect goes opacity 0.7. We need a transition on here so it's not too brutal. We'll say 0.3. I think a quick transition is nice. And then on active or on .drum dot drum dot played, we're going to say transform scale 1.1. And there we go. So that should now give us some cool little thing. But now once we click this, so on play, inside of the play function, we need to have we'll get use state No, not like that, Tyler. And then let's get a const. And what I'm going to do in here is I'm just going to say playing, and set playing. And so that's false. Good. And now if playing, let's change this to those. Let's just go drum. You know, can we use backticks in here? And then we'll say inside of drum, if playing, we're going to, you know, if playing, we're going to drop playing, else we're going to drop nothing. It's just going to be nothing. Or what did we say? Played. We'll say playing. And there we go. So just like that, we'll add playing. And then in our sound, we'll say set playing to true. And then we'll do a set timeout, which will just basically say 150 milliseconds in. We will say set playing to false again. And now that should make it so when we press our keys as well as hover, we should get some effects. Let's have a look. Let's refresh. So you may have heard that it was playing a million times and it burst my eardrum. I'm hoping it wasn't so bad for you guys, but that's because when React refreshes, it rebinds the add event listener, because we need when we dismount, we need to actually remove the event listener basically. But this is fine. So let's go boom, boom, clap, boom, boom, clap. You get the little hover effect. There you go. There we go. All right, guys. So thank you all for basically tuning into the stream. I'm not even done yet, guys. You can fire questions away. Actually, I don't know what I was about in the stream, and I just thought, you know, guys, fire questions away if you're here. If there's anything else you want me to see, we've got 15 minutes, and we've basically done it. We built a React drum kit in live. We had a few issues, but we saw them. Again, another shout out to, I've got to remember the name now. It was, where are we? Nissel, that's it, Nissel. I couldn't remember if it was Nissan or Nissel. Okay, so Nissel, again, enough shout to Nissel, absolute top dog. He saved us with the .default here. So guys, if you ever need to require a audio file inside of a React app, then don't forget to add your .default, because obviously you need an export or an export module for require, and .default is how you default it. So you just say that whole file is the default. Thank you, Nissel, appreciate it. So yeah. So I think we've done pretty good here. Let's just remove that from there. And this is good. So let's put this in Git now. Let's just save these changes. I'll just save and we'll just say React Drum Kit. You know, that's what we did. Hit enter. And let's publish our changes. So we're going to create a new one. It's going to be YouTube. React JS Drumkit. YouTube React JS Drumkit. Create a public repository. And now publishing to GitHub files. Done. Let's open on GitHub. I've got it over here. Two-factor confirm. And here we are. So guys, here you go. Just so you can see it. It's here. We're going to pull it. I'm going to put it in the description right now. So I'm just going to put source code bam. Save, and there we go. But it's now in the description. So guys, if you need these sounds, they're inside the source folder here. You can also get it from the Vue.js one as well if you've already got that downloaded. So guys, that's all the sounds and that's all the stuff. That's cool. I hope you guys like this stream. Guys, did you like the stream? I did. I think this was a pretty good one. I think it did pretty well. Let's close this down. We don't need that anymore. Let's close this. We're done here. We smashed that. There we go. Nice. So guys, I'm gonna end this here. No questions coming through, and I've had a great stream, and I don't want to drag on the end of this video. So guys, thank you all for tuning into this video. If you liked it, or this stream, sorry, not video. God, I'm so used to recording videos. If you enjoyed the stream, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you're new around here and you enjoyed this stream, don't forget to subscribe, because we stream and we post videos on a regular basis. So guys, if you want to learn some Vue, you want to learn some React, then hop on hop on the channel, subscribe. And guys, if you've been here for a long time, you enjoy my content, you watch almost every video, and you just want to learn extra, or there's a bunch of other things, or you just really want to support the channel, you can do so by going below this video, going to that join button and clicking on the membership, join membership, and what it will do is it will bring up a list of perks which you guys can subscribe to for a small fee to get basically access to my Discord, a special role on Discord that gives you a direct access to me, which I'm always got open and stuff like that. So basically, guys, check out the stuff below, and then, you know, there you go. But guys, I'm just gonna say, Aries, Vue for the next one. Yes, we'll do a Vue.js stream next time, guys. If that's what you want. We need to come up with ideas, because I've already done a Vue drum kit, so maybe we'll do something else with Vue on stream. Has to fit in with an hour, because I have an hour to stream from Monday to Friday, between 1 and 2. So guys, let me know what you want me to stream. Tell me in the comments below if you're watching after this, or just let me know on Discord. You can join Discord via the link down below in the description. So guys, thank you for tuning into this stream. You've all been absolutely awesome, and peace out.